Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a quick daily dash and we're dropping off some shoes. Got a couple orders I gotta drop off at the mail place. Today, we're talking about this guy who's basically like stalking me and Pedro. He's like so obsessed with me and Pedro that he's basically created a YouTube channel and based it around me and Pedro, but trying to like talk shit on us. I think it's hilarious that someone is like so obsessed with us that they've gone this far. And it's funny because I really doubt Pedro watches his videos and I don't watch this guy's videos. I watched one of them. I thought it was funny originally before it got creepy and this guy like started emailing me on all this stuff. But I originally had reshared his video of him like talking shit about me because I was like, you know, it's all fun and games until like you start getting like really seriously obsessed with someone and then they start emailing you each video like, here's another one for you shit bags and all this stuff. Like, this guy is like, it's fucking weird. I gotta be absolutely honest. It's really weird. And I've never dealt with like a super fan, like obsessed crazy person like this before. I don't want to put his YouTube channel out there because I don't want to like give this guy any sort of like recognition that he definitely doesn't deserve. But it's like, one of my favorite quotes that I've heard Joe Rogan say was, you don't see Michael Jordan leaving negative YouTube comments, right? Anyone in life who's doing well or isn't self-conscious of something or just has things going for them isn't out there in the YouTube comment section typing negative things, let alone making YouTube videos about we must be his favorite YouTubers or something. I don't know. I don't understand why you would basically make a YouTube channel and base your videos around talking shit on two YouTubers who are just kind of like minding their own business, you know? I mean, like, I make videos reacting to other people. I try to make them comedic and like talk a little bit of shit, make it fun and stuff. But no one's getting their feelings hurt over it, and everyone understands I'm just joking around. This guy goes to the point of like sending us direct emails, which I had to like find. Originally I was like, all right, I'm just gonna like talk shit back to this guy. And then I was like, you know what? This guy's just a little bee, you know? Quite a little bitch, just like going out of his way to tear down two people who are trying to help people out. Like, the entire point of my YouTube channel was to help people open their lens up and look at making money differently than just doing DoorDash and trying to create passive income and trying to basically show you guys the mistakes that I've made so hopefully you guys don't have to make them. And I think that's like the best part about YouTube is there's free information out there. I know for a fact people have, I'm not saying everyone's made more money from watching my YouTube videos, but hopefully some people have made more money. You know, I see a lot of people comment down below the tips and things they've learned. And if you guys want, maybe comment down below, like, what's one thing that you have learned from my channel? And hopefully you've learned something if you watch my videos consistently. But I just had to point this out. This guy's like a cancer in the like gig driver society. So I really doubt any of my users or my viewers are watching this guy's channel, but it's just kind of crazy to me. Anyways, so we still don't have another. Oh man, I just missed the order. It was from Capriotti's. Honestly, probably wasn't very good, but yeah, just doing a bit of DoorDash today. Not gonna lie, I had a little bit too much whiskey last night, so I'm slightly hungover. Kind of annoying. I gotta stop drinking altogether. It is not a good hobby to have, is drinking alcohol, and I've been doing so well lately. I lost, I think, 25 pounds so far since September when I started trying to lose weight. I was about 185. Now I'm about 160. I feel great. Like, everything's functioning really well. So I just gotta avoid stay away from alcohol. Anyways, I'll get back to you guys in a second when we get an order. And we're almost to the mail place, post office. Some people get mad when I call it the mail place, the post office, whatever. Anyways, be right back. All right, just dropped off the shoes. Actually, been sitting here for about 15 minutes or so. Been listening to that Kyle Rittenhouse trial. Not really going to comment on it because the whole situation is so screwed up. But anyways, how much have you guys been making on DoorDash lately? I've noticed it's been significantly harder for me to get any kind of dashes that are decent. I've turned down a bunch of orders that go to the strip. It really does not matter how much you pay me. I'm not delivering to the strip. In no circumstance is a strip order ever worth it, really. It's got to be like $25 or more, I would say, not $9.50. That was the last one. Anyway, so I've gotten a bunch of orders that were basically like $2.50, $3 orders. Like, it's like, come on now. How is a $2.50 order make any sense at all to anyone? I feel bad for people who accept these orders. And DoorDash seems like they're doing like everything they possibly can to turn people into top dashers and get them to actually take these orders. It's kind of embarrassing, but I don't know. I'm glad there's other channels that are basically helping people out so they know not to do these like top dasher scams and all that other good stuff, you know? Anyways, I'm just gonna wrap up today's video because I don't think we're gonna get, oh, here we go. Maybe we won't wrap it. Oh my God, that is horrible. Horrible order. $13.50 for 13 miles for $9.25. Man, not gonna lie, that would be miserable to go there. Anyways, all right, so I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Sorry it sucked. I just kind of wanted to talk about that guy that's been like stalking us. He's been just emailing us because I'm sure I was playing into his games a little bit, not gonna lie, because I was responding. I was talking a little bit of shit. But now I'm just like, all right, I'm just gonna leave this guy alone. He's miserable. Probably making videos in his basement of his mom's house or something. I don't know. I don't understand it. It seems very illogical to go out of your way to try to hurt people's feelings. It doesn't really make any sense to me. Oh, here we go. Oh man, this would have been good if there was only one order. It's $8.50 for 2 orders from Raising Cane's. Bleh. Anyways, all right, so we will see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing, and also comment down below how much money did you guys make today. I want to know, are you guys making less money than you used to make? Like, how bad is it less, at least? Because I feel like everyone's making less money ever since COVID has kind of like disappeared. Well, it's not disappeared, but it's significantly less than it was before, and people are going out to order from restaurants again. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.